at you being all festive.
Merry Christmas to you too, sir.
Merry Christmas and congratulations on all those views.
Hey, I couldn't have done it without you. Remember Lion King?
Hey!
Come on, read it. Oh, I missed you so much. I mean, seriously, how long has it been?
Whoa!
Whoa!
What is that?
It's called a hug, but you just rejected it.
Bruh, your breath stank.
Marcus, I just brushed my teeth this morning. Look, I know you got an uber sensitive nose.
Close your mouth, bruh. You need a mint. Your breath smells like dog poo. It's as rank as an ass crack. It's as stank as a zoo. You need a mint. Your halitosis ruins my mood. Can you smell yourself? Shut your mouth, bruh. You need a mint. You need to brush your teeth. It's as foul as a dumpster, like you haven't brushed in weeks. You need a mint. Your yuck mouth makes me weak. Turn away, bruh. You need a mint. Your breath burns my nose. My eyes are getting watery, cause your breath smells like toes. You need a mint. If you aren't going to brush your teeth, then I advise you to keep your mouth closed. Keep them lips together. Oh no. You understand that? I know you do now. Get lost, bruh. You need a mint. You need to disappear. My face is on fire. You are bringing me to tears. You need a mint. You need to move far away from me and never reappear. Move back, bruh. You need a mint. You're being really rude. Your breath has the power to cause an attitude. You need a mint. Your breath slap is an ass sandwich that is so disrespectful that our friendship will certainly end after this crude encounter, and it will most definitely not be renewed. Get on out of here! Oh, no, sir. Not at all. Back up, bruh. You need a mint. Your breath smells like a skunk. It's a bowl full of assholes that is bringing all the funk. You need a mint. I would describe your breath in 3 words, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. Oh, that breath funky, son.